For my current event project, I chose lavender, and this is what lavender looks like. Lavender is an evergreen plant native to the Mediterranean. Lavender is also used as essential oil, and it's a really popular aromatherapy because it promotes relaxation. Lavender is not bad for our environment, and there's no known significant damages to the air, water, land, soil, and forests. Animals are also not killed during the production of lavender. And lavender also has some health benefits for us, such as it can help with insomnia, anxiety, hair loss, headaches, chemotherapy side effects to calm our cancer patients down during their procedures, for acne and burns, eczema, wound healing, and mood issues. Lavender is recommended for people suffering from insomnia. It helps them sleep with its common aromatherapy. It can also be used for anxiety for the same purpose. It's common aromatherapy. For some diseases, it helps promote hair production. With our mood, it can help with acne because its ability to kill bacteria. With some skin conditions for dry skin, and it can promote wound healing. So that's my current event project. Thank you for listening.